आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ।
अरे आइए
अजीत अजीत अजीत
एक मिनट या ना मॅडम पुढे ना अजून एक
इसका हो गया साइड हो जाओ
प्रेम में अरे हाँ ठीक है या मैम या प्लीज या मैम या प्लीज
लोग सुनते नहीं पीछे यार
पीछे आ सकता पीछे जाइए
थोड़ा मैडम आगे। अरे रुको थोड़ा एक मिनट। मैम यहाँ पे देखिए
मैं तो बोला
मैडम
चलो नेक्स्ट फ्लोर आया है।
थैंक यू फायर एग्जिट is there
मैम लेफ्ट 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 एक्सक्यूज मी लेफ्ट
मैम यहाँ बताए मैम इधर मैम यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
मैडम या थैंक यू
सॉरी
मैम यहाँ
राकेश भाई बुलाओ।
मैम यहाँ
एक्सक्यूज मी या
मैम
सेंटर या अरे पाटी रे मैडम या मैडम या
लेफ्ट कॉर्नर यहाँ
ये में उठते
लेफ्ट कॉर्नर लेफ्ट एक्सक्यूज मी वन मोर मैम
धन्यवाद
थैंक यू
मैम वन मोर दिस वे
या मैडम वन मिनट मैडम प्लीज
मैम यहाँ पर ये आपके राइट में
ओके डन
मैम लेके आ रही है वन मोर
चलो थैंक यू
लास्ट वन या मैम
लेफ्ट साइड
या बोथ ऑफ यू या मोटे जरा साइड वन मोर या मोटे
एक्सक्यूज मी
दूसरे कोने
थैंक यू
वन मोर या
आप आ जाओ ना आ जाओ तो मिल जाएगा आप आ जाओ ये नहीं समझ रहे हो
चलो चलो
सॉरी
लेफ्ट ला सर साहेब समोर
हेलो
सामने
अरे यार आगे मत बैठ जाओ बाद में लो ये बाद में
And I, Ms. Shifa Gupta, welcome you to the Indian Princess Chamba, CEO of Indian Princess to the Ace Fashion Designer, Mumbai, and the Board of Advisory Counselor for Atharva Fashion and Arts. Ms. Aarti Mehra and Mr. Manoj Mehra study by Chanak Fashion Designer, Delhi. Ms. Chandni Sharma in the fashion and beauty industry in the country, but also made a global impact. The contest is a unique combination. We have completed our training session in the Blue Ocean and the finale, Chandigarh and so on. I thank you. I thank all the
It's an honor to be a part of this grand mega finale, and our brand is committed to making you all the woman of tomorrow for India. And the vision that Sunil sir has attached with this brand is that obviously it's going to be a great contribution in grooming, in the kind of investments that go with the best trainers in grooming all of y'all to actually refine all of those assets and abilities that you already have to make y'all the future of the country, because India is heading towards a new generation, a new time where women empowerment is the key subject and the key issue that is being discussed. And we are heading today to Thailand for the grand finale, and I'm so excited and so looking forward to be a part of this whole beauty pageant. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Archana Kochu, ma'am, can I have few words from you, please, too?
A very good evening to everyone here. Today, when I sit here, I reflect on a evening 2010 when Mr. Rane had come to my shop, and we conceived this whole idea of having a beauty pageant which was unbiased and which would groom Indian beautiful young teenage and girls around 20. And we conceived the whole show, and then we had the first show. And from there to here, I think it's commendable, though the entire event has evolved so much, and I see so much of improvement in it. It's a pleasure to be here with it. I feel a kind of connection with this because I was there. We were actually sitting down and saying, okay, we'll do an event like this, and we'll have this many rounds, and this is how we make it different, and this is how it will be unbiased, and this is how the girls will get a chance. And today, when I saw all of you all at my store trying out the garments, it was so beautiful. It was really nice. Also, I see so much potential in some of the girls who are here. I actually see the future Bollywood faces in some of them here. So today, when they were trying the beautiful khagras and strutting around, I thought, it was a pleasure. And the amount of energy all of you have is commendable. Looking forward to the show to the grand finale in Bangkok. And I must compliment Mr. Rane on the way his vision is so different from the vision of many other events that happen, pageants that happen. He doesn't cut corners. He doesn't get faltered by problems that come up. So I think all of you are so lucky that you all are being taken to an international country. And the finale is not just a finale, it's a world finale where he has made sure that the television channels worldwide are going to telecast this finale of yours. So I think that's different. Also, the way this entire training program of yours is being conducted is amazing. It's without cutting corners, it's giving you all the best. So it's a great opportunity, girls, to be a part of this, and I'm so happy to be a part of this again, and look forward to dressing you all up. And thank you so much, all the media people, for being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Can I have a quick pause mic from the chairman of Air Shuttle Group, Mr.
With this brand, it's a proud moment for me to be. That I leave to you. But thank you everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for this question. I would like
Out. And that is what I can say. Mr. Rane and Ramon and the teams meticulously, they selected the best from all across, which is really nice. We're handling, Staniba Janak is doing the three looks for the beauty contestants. We've done the 2 travel rounds. Again, keeping glamour and style in mind. The first look is of a beige silk shirt teamed with a black waistcoat. The second is a chic and casual look. To be comfortable, yes, look the gorgeous you, which is a printed blazer teamed with a printed shirt teamed with a violet blazer, and the finale round, wherein we wanted the girls to enhance their beauty, to make them look as feminine and bring out the best in them, which is a use of gold and soft pinks. And kudos to Mr. Rane and Ramon to be able to put all this together, and looking forward to the associations and to something which helps women on empowerment year on year. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you so much, ma'am. 2014.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yes. Yes, I have learned them well, right? No. I just want to thank Rane sir because he has given me this opportunity to be part of the IP team this year. Last year it was for me an amazing year because I have grown myself really well. I've been an independent, strong woman. And yes, I have seen women empowerment over the rest of the world. I have traveled a lot and spread it. So I hope that I can learn you a lot. I think I already did a little bit, but we are not there. So there is a lot to do. So we will start from tomorrow in Thailand. I hope you all will enjoy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shika. A very good evening to everyone present here. And first of all, congratulations to all the contestants for being top 27 beauties of India. And this time the competition is really tough because we have then merged Indian Princess and Indian Princess International together. So we have girls from different countries from all over the world. I welcome you to India and to the Indian Princess family. And I wish you all the luck and success. And I owe everything to Mr. Sunil Rane and Mrs. Varsha Rane and to Indian Princess because this recognition, this name is all because of Indian Princess. I'm here because of Indian Princess. So I expect the same from you all girls. The gratitude and the courtesy should be there. And wish you all the luck and success. Work hard. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arnie. Can we have few words from Mrs. Varsha Rane ma'am, Vice President of Indian Princess?
Good evening, everyone. How are we? Well, I'm the Vice President of Indian Princess and Indian Princess International, but this time I'm joining you all a little late. I had this pleasure of training the contestants of Indian Princess and Indian Princess International last 4 years. And to begin with, let me just congratulate everyone, especially Mr. Sunil Rane, for successfully beginning this season 6 of our unique beauty pageant. And congratulations to all you contestants. You all are gorgeous, beautiful and smiling. I'm so happy to see you all. And congratulations all the team workers here, the team members. I'm so glad to see you all here. The same, some of the faces are new, some of the faces are old. And I'm very, it's a pleasure to meet all the panelists here. Ms. Ramon Lamba, thank you so much for being with us for this season 6. Ms. Aarti Mehra, it was nice meeting you. Thanks for joining us for this season. Again, Shika,
Birla, Mrs. Shikha Birla, thank you so much. And of course, Archana Kochar. I've not had the pleasure of meeting her earlier, but you were there with us in 2010 at JW. I remember your clothes very much till now, and they were astounding. And let me congratulate you on this award that you got in Canada. It's commendable to get this award abroad. And I'm saying this because this is a platform for women empowerment, and somehow people are scared of women's beauty, And here we are teaching these little girls, these young girls, to be confident of themselves and not to be ashamed of their sexuality, their body, their talent, their beauty, their intelligence. Just go out and shine, girls, and show what you're made of. And that's what I wish you all the best for the future, for the further journey. And let this journey be of self-discovery, not just beauty, but a piece of advice. I don't mean to preach anything, but don't. What I would expect you all is not to look at or compare yourself with each other, because each one is beautiful in their own way. You might like somebody's hair, you might like somebody's eyes, you might like somebody's skin, but you don't know who's admiring you for what you have there. Maybe the way you speak, maybe the way you have those sexy hips, the way you move them, and just be yourself and show the world what you're made of. This beauty pageant is not just about the beauty. It's also attached to the two social causes. I'm very proud to always say this. It's attached to girl education, girl child education, and supporting the war widows. And I've been traveling extensively with some of the contestants for past 2-3 years in all the remote villages, from all the way from Jammu Kashmir to down south to Kerala. And let me tell you, girls, I don't know whether you've been told, or I don't know whether the press is aware of this. We were the first organization to reach some of the remote places in Jammu and Kashmir, and that's what some of the people told us, that no one ever bothers to come there. And I'm so proud to be a part of this social cause because of this.
Have few words from Mr. Sunil Rane sir, the chairman of Indian Princes.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, sir. Let me congratulate first all the press, my friends, all the time, and especially Lipika Verma sitting over there. Lipika का नाम नहीं लेंगे तो कल कुछ छपेगा नहीं. And all other dignitaries from the press, as you have supported right up to Mathura, and Mr. Shukla organizing this press, because I know Bombay Velvet party is there, still you guys are here. Hats off to you, because it is very important. I remember, Archana must be remembering 2010, 9th March 2010, when we did finale. 9th March is the birthday of Shah Rukh Khan. And all the press, because of their friendship with me and my friendship with them, they were not ready to go to his bungalow. You remember that? Remember. And 2010, don't birthday still there. 9th को था, याद होगा आप लोगों को. From Taj Lands Inn, they were doing party at his bungalow, and literally his people were trying to pull people. And I'm thankful to all of you. Second, congratulations to all the contestants that you have come up to this particular level. All my team members, especially the Vice President, Mrs. Varsha Rane, Mrs. Ramon Lamba, CEO of Indian Princes, Archana Kochar, being the fashion designer, and our board of advisory for the Atharva of Fashion and Arts, Aarti Mehra and Mr. Manoj Mehra sitting in the corner. I have seen you, Manoj. This couple have done excellently well for making the designs for the girls, their costumes, staying in Delhi, has a tremendous name, but still they want to be associated with Indian Princess because of the nurturing the young talent of India. Chandni Sharma being the winner last year, Nadine Makhanlal, winner Indian Princess International 2014. Whenever I say this, these two girls always say, "Sir, please say 2014 forever." Then we have Shikha Birla, Chairman, Air Shagun Group. They have supported us as a travel partner. As she had announced, the winner will go to Malaysia and Singapore. Hopefully she will be back also. Then we have all the team members of Indian Princess, especially thanks to Shefali Parab. They know that she went all over places to find all of you. Her assistant Roslyn, then the elimination expert Maulik. Then we have Dr. Nemade. Very important, there is one girl, you might have met her or you have not seen her. She is working continuously in Bangkok with the Thai government. Is Jinia Batra, who had appeared for IS examination, and soon she will become a collector. But still she is working with us because her joining is in month of August. So she is handling an entire event in Bangkok with the government of Thailand Tourism Ministry. One of my friend who is very influential in Thailand because of the government is 50% military, 50% politics. It has been appointed by the President of Thailand, which is Satish Sehgal. Then we have a choreographer. There is no smile on the face. Mr. Benner. You know, I told Benner all the time, you should try to understand the noise of the clappings. In the political area, how the noise means clapping means you'll have to end up your speech. Then we have another lady who is there with us since last so many years, which I have seen her transformation also. Means I have seen the younger generation's transformation when they come with Indian Princess, but I have seen a lady who is a doctor is converting herself into the glamour world. Is Dr. Prajakta. If you see Dr. Prajakta's photo of 2011, and you see now, where is she? And you see Dr. Prajakta, this is all my team, means they work excellently well. Day and night, means she remembers the stories of the contestant and how she had made them work and walk fantastically, excellently well. Then we have Casey, being one of the renowned choreographers. Then we have the designers, stylists, Preeti and Jaspreet, Nesna Jacob, Dr. Varun, Shikha Gupta being one of the team members, and very important one lady. Constantly give a big round of applause for her. Without her, the team will not go anywhere in the world. Now, you all, my friends, contestants, and the board members of Indian Princess, you all know, we were supposed to go to Dubai. All my press members, some of them, they were also ready with the passports. But, Lipika भी ready. Lipika हर रोज हेमा जी को फोन करती है, हेमा जी आप जा रही हो, मैं भी हूँ. लिपिका का हो गया पासपोर्ट. 4-5 जगह का वीजा लगा के रखे. So we have changed that plan because the government of Dubai, government of Abu Dhabi and UAE especially, they said the crowning will not be possible in our country. So we have to change. The approval did not come to us in proper time. So we have to change everything to go to Thailand. And to go to Thailand again, the new approvals have to take up because the world finale, that means a new venue, new approvals, tourism ministry's sanctions, because we are doing this particular event with the government of Thailand and the Ministry of Tourism. But luckily, the work which Jinia and Satish Sehgal has done over there, that we have got the approvals. I know Aarti Mehra and Manthan Mehra looking at me, that we have to change the tickets. There are so many people coming from all over the world, they have taken tickets. I think they should have taken tickets from Air Shagun. So at least we would have got the cancellation policy. But everybody from all over the world, they have to change the tickets. This is extremely difficult for all of us to change it. As you all know, Indian Princes have entered into the 6th season. The 5th season, what you have seen, you all have seen at Chitrakoot, you have seen at the Juhu Centaur, the old Centaur. But this time, we have to go to Thailand because it is an international event which we have lined up. As Mrs. Varsha Rane said, that this particular event, this particular contest has got social cause. When you travel, some of the contestants will travel to the villages to meet the martyrs of our country, who have given their lives for our country. Whether it is Kargil, whether it is fighting extremely with the terrorists on the borders of Gurez, border of Pooch, Pulwama, and especially in Jammu Kashmir. So all those soldiers who gives their life, they are also young. They have also done the education like MBA and management and everything, but they fight for us. So we tribute them, we respect them, and all the martyrs we try to support their other people at home via education. As you all know, this particular finale will come on Zee and Zing, telecast in July 2015 all over the world. Tourism, arts, culture, this is the exchange of these particular 3 things which we are lined up with the Thailand, government of Thailand specially. And finale with government of Thailand, we all know that it will be one of the prestigious moments for the Indians. As the Thai government feels that more and more Indians should come to Thailand, more and more shopping they should do for making their economy grow, as Thailand is one of the leading destinations in the world for tourism. You will see hospitality at its best. The courteousness will be at its peak. And you will see Thai people, we have seen them since 1985. They used to say in 1985, 86, whenever Indian people used to go to the malls, that time there were only 2-3 malls. And they used to say, Indians, they do only bargaining. They don't buy. So they don't even look at Indians, those were the years. But this time, the time has changed. Whenever Indians goes, they feel, yes, Indians means they will do a lot of buying, lot of shopping. Of course, bargaining is in Indians' blood. So even though we were bargaining with the air shogun also, 30%, 40%, 50%. Ramon Lamba used to call me, at least we would have saved money on the phone. How much money we have wasted, 30, 40, 50. But I feel this is a part of life. And as I think Archana had said correctly, we try to give you the best. She is the one in Mumbai, and Aarti and Manoj is in Delhi. They are the fashion designers. They deal with each and every community. Right from tailor to the actors and actresses. Right from stage, light, sound vendors to photographers, press. Which photo should come, which photo to cut, who should cut. Everything they know. So this glamour industry, I think these are the best people we have got with us. And I feel Indian Princes growing ahead with this speed will be one of the best. Inner contest category will be the legendary one, which will give you the best because of the trainers, because of the team, and because of the international feel what it is needed for all of you when you go abroad. And that's why I respect all the press people. Even though we are not the oldest, but we are the youngest. We are not the highway, but we are the Yamuna Expressway. And I feel we are trying to create a new highway which may take you with the speed, and speed with speed breakers, speed with hurdles, speed with this kind of elimination, because you have to nurture your identity with the tomorrow's world. I sincerely thank once again to all the press members and the contestant and my team members for coming and gracing this small press conference over here, as the team members will go tonight and the winner will come back along with the team members on 24th or 25th. And again on 25th, in those 3 days, 4 days, we will meet all the press of Mumbai and Delhi. Especially, why we are saying Mumbai and Delhi, because most of the people are coming from Mumbai, Delhi, means northern India and western India. And I feel you all supported Indian Princess since last so many years to grow with Atharva's support, with Blue Ocean support, as my all press friends must have missed Blue Ocean. And we have supported them with the Blue Ocean Resort and with everybody coming on board supporting this particular event, which is converting into the one of the world's leading brand called Indian Princess. As there are so many people coming from New Zealand, Suriname, Netherlands, South Africa, and especially from different parts of the world like USA, Scotland, Holland, and I feel this Indian Princess will create history as you all have supported. The team members are taking too much efforts to make your life and your future will be one of the best. I feel all of you are really good. I don't know, the board is going to choose one. The rest will have to look to that crown. The crown which Chandani is wearing will go to someone else.
She's not giving it.
Dedication, sincerity and loyalty to create this kind of a brand. I feel thanks to all the team members. Abroad, make sure that do not create impact of India abroad. Make a good in a very delicate manner. We are
Thank you. Audrey De Silva from Mumbai. Anushka Kamta from Suriname. Neha Vishwakarma from Delhi. From Delhi. Navdeep Kaur from Chandigarh. Bhavna Makhija from Ahmedabad. Shaista Marianne from Netherlands. Jasleen Kaur from Mumbai. Parul Sharma from Mumbai. Himani Sharma from Delhi. Supreet Sanghera from Mumbai. Sakshi Gupta from Delhi. Steffi Patel from Delhi. Sahiban Singh from Priyanka Kasai. Aparajita Verma from Haryana. Kazaya Rizal Ganesan from South Africa. Angel Goel from Shimla. Sukanya Bhattacharya from Mumbai. Amanpreet Karnawal from Rajasthan. Simran Mahindrawal from Delhi. from Mumbai. And Rashi Yadav from Delhi.
Good cause. How is the idea concept, guys?
See, idea concept, yeah. Basically, what has happened is in 2009, 2010, when we have seen the Kargil in those years. After that, what has happened, the younger generation, wherever, whomever we used to meet during our other activities into the politics, these people, I mean, not only these girls, even boys also, they did not even bother about our country. It was way back in 2008, 2009 when we had a discussion with the younger generation. Why we should believe, why we should find out what it is happening about our country. And we thought that when we are nurturing the young talent, they should understand what our country is. Our country is of warriors, the people who give their lives. There are the younger generation, they do everything. I mean, they are from the best of the best houses. They have best of the best cars. They have money in their house. But the young boy has a dream to protect India. And where he goes from Gurdaspur, what she had explained to you, you should have met that Navdeep Kaur, age 24 years, graduate from Delhi University, done MBA from Delhi, hotel management, then from MBA went to Gurez border, fought with the terrorists from 20 feet distance. When he died as a martyr, I read somewhere and I gave a call through Colonel Raje. Colonel Raje is our faculty member who's handling HR. He's a retired colonel from the army. When we called her mother, his mother, it was not even 8 days have been completed. And Navdeep's mother picked up the phone and Colonel said that there is Mr. Sunil Rane from Mumbai wants to meet you because you lost your son for protecting India, fighting with the terrorists on the border of Gurez in Jammu Kashmir. So she said first time a call came from a civilian asking for my son. He was in the military, he was a young boy, he was one of the heroes of our village, but he is no more. And when I spoke to her after a day, she said, you are the first person of the entire India who's calling me and asking about my son other than the military. I said, I want to send my team to meet you, ma'am. She says, it is the 9th day I have lost my son for the country, but if your team is coming, I will go from Gurdaspur to Punjab to Ludhiana to meet them. This lady came to meet everybody. They all went to her house. I think it must be 2 months. Something 2 months. The parents of that Navdeep Kaur said that this is the time that we are making our country proud. Where you will find this type of people? We are doing fashion, we are doing glamour, we are watching movies, we are making education, we are building our empires. But if there is something have been taken care by our country, is none other than the soldiers. So this particular thing which they should learn, they should means being girls. I'll tell you last example and we'll wind up. There is a boy from my village, Manish Kadam, from Sindhudurg district. Both Manish and his wife were the electronics telecommunication engineer. Both have joined military as major in the electronics and telecommunication division to track the satellite messages for the terrorists. One morning he calls up his father, Major Manish Kadam, and says that I am getting my holiday after 2 days and I am coming to the village. This time I am coming with my wife also. And both have been posted in Pulwama district in Jammu. And he says, I am on the mission now, I will call you tonight. And what happens is, wherever he is traveling as a telecommunication device operator for the army, as the major, he is not supposed to lead the platoon. But as a person from the army and he says, I am a young, why should I not lead? Even though I am the satellite tracking device operator for the army as a major. So he was leading the platoon and he could receive the messages that there is somewhere in the 2-kilometer vicinity the terrorists are there. But being leading that particular platoon, he was having all satellite and everything on his shoulder. He couldn't able to take out his gun to start firing. Before he could do, he's got 50 to 60 bullets in his body. In the night, there was a call came from someone from the army to his father and says that Manish is no more. I went to his village, I met him, his father, his mother, his wife. His wife have been posted now in Ladakh as a major. Where you will meet this kind of a people? Only thing is that we don't put up this kind of a holdings in Mumbai, that what we did for army, Sunil Rane. No. We do it very silently. And that's why this work, even though I don't much brief you people also in this. And this is my cause, which I feel, when I was in Poland, I met all the Polish army. And one day when I was coming down from my hotel in Grand Hyatt in Poland, in Warsaw, I saw all sick people from the military, all turbans and all medals and everything. So I went to greet them because they are from India. I met Major General Lamba, the second general of our India. And I met General Lambaji, it was in 2010, 2012, something like that. And he says, we have been trained over here for Czechoslovakia, Poland, Russia, Spain, Norway and Sweden, where the Indian military have been deployed over there for training.
Hi, this is an unbiased beauty contest. Does that mean that the other beauty contests are biased?
Not really, it doesn't necessarily mean that, but there are a lot of things that do factor in, influences, and we do feel that. But I'm not saying that any of the other beauty contests are biased, but I have worked with all of them and I found this very clean. That was my, when I said it was unbiased, this is what I meant. I have worked with everyone and they're all lovely, and I continuously even today work with them. From Glad Rags, where many years back I worked, to Femina Miss India to here. So I'm not saying they're biased, but I found this very clean in their judgment, and you know. So it was Mr. Rane who conceived it, and then he gave it to other people to do it. It wasn't that, I just found it very clean, that's what I meant.
Archana, also, you deserve a pat on the back for joining hands with Sunil Rane for such a lovely cause.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
But I'd like to ask you, you have given all these girls your, the dress that you have given them. What royalty are you going to take away?
Great question, ma'am. We'll have to ask Mr. Rane. I'm giving him the mic quickly. Mr. Rane, tell.
I'll tell you, Lipika, in this. What has happened, the second round, which has been supposed to be done by some designer in Dubai, which is Level 24, I'll tell you the name also. Then that, because we are not going to Dubai, so we are here and we have to go to Bangkok. So I told Archana that let's make another costume through you only. So she said, this cost will come. I said, okay, I'll pay. I'll get somebody. She said, no, if you are paying, then don't pay, I'll do it. So this is a greatness of Archana, that taking money from my pocket, she says, why you are putting? If you are putting, that means I am putting. Rather than that, we'll get someone who's ready to promote the brand. So I'm thankful to Archana, even Aarti. Both of them, they did not ask. In fact, both of them have asked me, if you want more, I'll give it to you. No.
Mr. Rane,
Yes.
you were talking about कुछ लोगों की राशि उनके घर पे पहुंची तक नहीं. सोचो इनका घर का हाल कैसा होगा. मैं 3 पंक्तियों में दर्शाना चाहता हूँ कि घर की खुशी छुप गई होगी आंगन के किसी कोने में. जाने कितने दिन गुजरे होंगे माँ के भूखे सोने में. बहना का काजल छूटा होगा छुपके.
Thank you. This, Captain Saurabh Kalia, late Captain Saurabh Kalia, you heard? His body have been mutilated. The Kargil, how Kargil started? These girls, boys, I don't know. No, that is Captain.
कोई राजा
All of you straight here. All of you straight. Excuse me, ma'am. थोड़ा आप अंदर आइए थोड़ा all of you stay here. All of you stay.
Don't move, smile.
Yeah, cheer up.
Cheer up, everyone. Smile, guys. Thank you.
एक ग्रुप करें
अरे बैठो बैठो
अरे खाली खाली मॉडल एक चेयर हटा दो चेयर हटा दो थोड़ा पीछे आइए थोड़ा सा पीछे जाइए थोड़े पीछे जाइए
सर कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहे एक सेकंड
अरे राहू दे ना
थांबा
अरे यार बोल प्लीज
अरे रुको shoulders up, you're not grouping.
एक सेकंड
अरे आप बोल मधु
Thank you very much.
थैंक यू हाँ या सर या हाँ फोटो है आपला समाज
Come on, guys. Smile.
एक चेयर निकालो
All the outers come in. Come on.
अरे क्या तू सब निकाल रहे क्या पीछे हो ना यार जितना दादा थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ ना पाटिया
All the outers ने नीचे
अरे वो प्रमोद सर किधर है प्रमोद सर
Smile, guys. Come on, move.
या थोड़ा क्लोज जरा क्लोज 1 minute.
Your hands, everyone, your hands. Your foot.
Yeah, ready?
Feet. Right smile. Take care of your feet.
Yeah, ready? Yeah. Look at me.
आजा पीछे ना
Look into center. All of you look in the head. All of you guys look into center.
That's fine.
Thank you very much.
Selfie. Yeah. ये फोटो जाएगा ये सेल्फी घेता है अरे लवकर मॉडल हमारे पास है फोटोज है ना हमारे पास
Selfie poses. Come on, selfie poses. Come on.
Okay.
Ready?
पीछे स्माइल प्लीज मोबाईल कुठे आहे फ्लॅश कुठे आहे
Archana, your costumes will we see the girls this time around?
जो कॉस्ट्यूम्स मैंने इस टाइम बनाए हैं इनके राउंड के लिए वो साड़ीज हैं, लेकिन अलग टाइप की साड़ीज हैं. तो इट्स लहंगा मीट्स अ साड़ी. तो आधी साड़ी आधा लहंगा है. दे वेरी यूनिक. इट्स लाइक अ लहंगा मैरीज अ साड़ी एंड दैट्स द कॉस्ट्यूम्स दैट दे गोना बी वेयरिंग.
इन शॉर्ट में ये जर्नी जो अभी 2010 से चालू हुई थी आपके साथ, कितना इवॉल्व हुआ और कितना डिफरेंट है इस बार?
बहुत इवॉल्व हुआ है और मेन चीज लाइफ में जो होती है वो इवॉल्व करना ही होती है, क्योंकि जब हम शुरू करते हैं तो हम सब छोटे से ही शुरू करते हैं. तो जो बहुत अच्छी बात है इस इवेंट में वो है कि हर साल वो इवॉल्व हुए हैं और अभी एक बहुत अच्छे मुकाम पे पहुंच गए हैं. एंड आई होप वन डे दे विल बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लीडिंग इवेंट्स ऑफ इन दिस कंटेक्स्ट इन आवर कंट्री. थैंक यू.
You'll ask me questions? So I have to look there or there?
Look center.
Okay.
Keep your ears trained to me and your side trained
Okay.
to the camera.
Be a little bit loud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be a bit loud.
Yeah.
Okay, rolling. How does it feel 1 year with the Indian princess, as the Indian princess in the crown resting on your head? What is the feeling like? Share the entire euphoria with us.
It feels great to wear this crown. You can ask these girls all admiring this crown, but with this crown comes lot of responsibilities, which I think I have somehow reached up to their expectations, the team expectations. And I won't say that I'm Indian Princess 2014 only. It's like my family. I'm there with Indian Princess always.
You'll be parting with the crown, unfortunately, this time around. So possessive.
Well, the moment of crowning will be very, I won't lie, it will be very nostalgic for me. Mixed emotions will be there. One, it's a proud moment that Indian Princess is going to a next level altogether. And second, that I won't be wearing this crown publicly after that. So, but this is the part of life, and this has to go on, and I wish all the success to my successor. I hope she takes it with pride and she makes us proud.
Personally, how has your life changed after wearing this crown?
Well, you can see yourself. It was not like this before. Since I've won this crown, entirely it's all different. At my home place also, everyone comes to my place and they get their pictures clicked with me. As I said, it has come with lots of responsibilities, so I always give priority to Indian Princess, whether it's my personal work or work related to films or something, any offers coming up to me. I always give priority to Indian Princess. So
has Bollywood come calling yet?
Not exactly, but yeah, 2 scripts were offered to me, but I didn't like them so much. So yeah.
Are you entering the film industry today? I mean, are you going?
Yeah, I've already signed Telugu. So yeah, I'll be shooting for Telugu movie as soon as the pageant gets over.
Okay, wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.